How to change your name on Zoom. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your name on Zoom, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into Zoom on my computer. I'm using Zoom on my browser, and so when you are in here and you have logged into your account, then you need to click where it says my account. So when you're in here, you will simply need to click where it says edit. As you can see where it says first name and last name, many think that is in here that you should change your name on Zoom, but that is not really correct because if you change it in here, then only you will be able to see the new name. What you want to do instead is to change your display name in here because if you change it here, then others will be able to see your new name on Zoom. So just change it in here, and when you're done, just click where it says save. And that is exactly how to change your name on Zoom. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.